What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This week, not a major video, a small little video. So over the holidays, I was just scrolling through eBay and stuff like that because I got some plans that I'd like to do down the road, and I came across something particularly for the ES1. So I put a bid, like a $20 bid. It was like $18, so I put $2 more, so $20. Thought nothing of it. Got an email confirmation that I had purchased it for $20. I was like, okay, $20 can't go wrong. I used to have it back in the day on my ES1. I liked it personally, and then I guess I changed things, changed the look, all that. So I figured, you know what? I wondered how the car would look with them now, with the way it's currently sitting. So I said, what the hell not? So I kind of did something ricey. I know some of you are gonna be like, what the hell would you do that? You probably, honestly, I really don't care what people think. It's obviously what I care because it's my car. So I wanted to do this maybe for a few months now. I've been playing with the idea. So like I said, a $20 bid, and it's a little gift to myself. And if it doesn't look good, I could always pull it out, but I highly doubt I'm gonna pull it out because I like carbon, so I added more carbon. So guys, my little ricey thing that I did, I bought not 3M but legitimate carbon fiber eyelids for the ES1. I know you guys are probably like, why the hell are you doing that? Well, guys, short answer, because I want to. Long answer, because I really want to. So I'm gonna go get a small coffee because I need a coffee. Bored, going for a little drive with the V, grab a coffee, come back, and then clean the headlights, and then test them out, see how they all look, and then I will put 2A tape on it, which is cool because look, they supplied the 2A tape, very thin, small 2A tape, so it'll be really good to put onto that. So why not? I'm excited, guys, because I used to have white eyebrows when the car was all white with black dual projector headlights, because at the time they didn't have black housing headlights and it was only the black projector lights. So back then, that was the thing, and with the halos and all that, I kind of digged it. I didn't mind it at all. So it would kind of be like that, but not like that. So let's get to it. All right, guys, I am back. I just put them on right now without 2A tape, just to get a look at just to get a quick look. And they're not bad. They're not bad. Just tight for room, obviously, but you guys can see that's the one. It's the other one. The weave blends in really good. I still got to do the 2A on them. I just wanted to put them on. And have a look. I mean, guys, it really doesn't look bad. It blends in well with the whole carbon front end. I dig it. It's something I haven't seen on the car in many years. Also, I haven't seen the car with a colored lip ever, and it's been many years since I've had a no door card. And then those are also going to get painted white. I'm just gonna leave the flat black door moldings, the regular plastic ones. That's gonna stay, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna keep them on because I dig them. But I'd like to know what you guys think. Like, that looks good. So now what I'm gonna do is start putting the 2A tape on it, so I can place it down on it, and we'll be permanently with carbon eyebrows, and then we'll give a nice little look. Like I said, we gotta assess issues on the ES1 this year. The main issues is a brand new VTEC solenoid, the VTEC sensor, which is on the side of the engine, because I took those from this one and put in the yell to get the yell up and running, because it was already the end of the year. I wasn't going to bother doing that. We also got to do a new timing chain tensioner on this, and maybe a chain. I'm probably going to do the chain as well. So a lot of maintenance there, and then got to get tires right in the beginning of the year once I sent the car in. Well, as soon as I switch to the summer wheels on the EL, I'll put the winters on the ES1, and we can send these ones out to get new tires. Probably gonna get the Nankang NS2s, the R's, the street slick ones. Same specs to these wheels. And then down the road, I gotta get coilovers, because it needs coilovers, and then we can worry about progressing with more mods. I still have the front sway bar I gotta pick up from the boys at FIA that they did. The 05 CRV sway bar that I have, got it power coated. So now the Civic will have sway bars front and back. Be golden, guys. But like I said, first assess what's wrong with the DS1, get that running mint, and then worry about upgrades later on. So it's gonna be a lot of videos of us just repairing things on the cars, because you can't just keep upgrading and neglecting the other things. The car will never be 100% at that point. So I'm gonna go get some rubbing alcohol, wipe down the headlight where the eyebrows are gonna go, lay the 2A tape on it, and then we are gonna be permanently placing them. Yeah. Alright guys, I like this Chinese company that sent this, because they sent this very nice, small, thin 2A tape. I don't know if I should put another one right over here. Maybe I should put a tiny little one. By the way, Alto's with us.
Hello.
Yeah, he's the guy holding the camera. So I'm probably going to put one more strip here just to give it a little bit of stability up here. Down here, I mean. And then just place on. But I like how it's nice and small. Came in a nice little roll, as you guys can see, 2 of them, so it's more than enough. So the extra roll is just extra for any other little thing I decide to do, so that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a tiny little bit right here, and then we're gonna place the first eyebrow permanently on. As simple as that. Now, it has the indicator right here. If you guys really look at it, if you can zoom in right there, Auto, see how the headlight kind of tapers in, and it goes with the fender right there. So that's a perfect spot. You hear the 2A tape sticking. I don't want to break the carbon, because then I'd be pretty upset.
I don't think you should be able to break it anyways. Only if you throw an egg at it.
Yeah, you remember that time?
Yeah.
Alright. We got one carbon eyebrow done. We're bringing the 90s back, baby. Bringing the 90s.
5 minutes later.
Yeah, we brought back some 90s vibes, late 90s, early 2000s vibes. I mean, like, I used to have the white ones on my Civic when it was all white. Then I did the carbon hood and it had the white eyebrows on it. But I couldn't have changed them because the guy who painted the car urethane them on at the time. So, yeah. But if I have a picture, I'll post it up. One of these 2 sides. of how the car used to look like with the projectors and the white eyebrows back in the day. Like I said, I like them. I've always been a fan of them. Ashley's threatened to put eyelashes on them, which is pretty funny. And yeah, guys, you know, just little changes for a $20 eBay bid that I was just screwing around with, and then ended up scoring real carbon fiber. I like it because it's not 3M. It's legitimate carbon fiber. Blends in great with the carbon front end. This still cheeses me. A little rock chip that went right through the clear coat on the fender. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. Like I said, just a small video doing that. Next week's video, I want to tell you the main plan I have for the ES1. So I'm going to show you what I've, not going to say collected, but it was a surprise gift from Ashley that came just before Christmas, which I wasn't supposed to see, but thank you, babe. And I'm going to share it with you guys, and then the other things I've just had for some time now. So do me a favor, like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that bell notification so you guys know whenever I upload. Share the content, please. That's like I said, really want to push to get this channel to grow a lot more. And like I said, we're going to be focusing a lot on getting the cars at 100% this year. And I really want to try Pat's roll racing event this year with the EL or the Civic if it's ready by then, but most definitely the EL. We definitely got to do a video this week on the EL. Something happened, so it's going to be going to Mercer's. We'll be vlogging all that and sharing that with you guys. And then I don't know, maybe if all goes down, we can go for a nice drive since we're both home for the holiday. Well, not the holiday season, but for this weird warm winter season. And maybe if he brings out the 9-gen, we can check out how badass the 9-gen has become now. Dude, like, you just got your nostril. You just got, like, you were like this, and it was like right up here. But yeah, he's also got a pretty dope ass camera he wants to test out on it. So yeah, that's, winter sucks because you gotta try to struggle to make content. So here I am struggling to make content. Here I am. That was awful. Anyways, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Look how red my nose is, bro. This drip, you see the drips, guys? See, that's how you know you're in Canada, bro. You're just, it's cold and nose just starts dripping. Sucks. I was gonna use my sleeve, but I'm not gonna use my sleeve. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.